Hi guys, I'm out metal detecting and I've just found it's a lovely little buckle and I think it's 16th century. Hope you can see it there guys. But yeah, it's a beautiful ornate thing. I'm going to take the dirt off gently now and just see if it's got the pin in or just a bit of shade there. Yeah, what a beautiful little buckle. I'm really excited about that. Right, I'll just have a gentle move of the dirt. One moment. No pin, but that doesn't matter. Look at that. That is really ornate. Good 500 years old. History beneath our feet, guys. Okay, thanks for looking.